Hey everyone, in this quick Canva tutorial, I'll show you how to create gradient text with an outline. The right way in 2025. It's super simple, colorful, and perfect for making your designs pop. So let's jump right in. First, you'll need Canva's type gradient feature. If you don't see it right away, don't worry. Just head to the left sidebar and click Apps. Now in the search bar, type gradient. Then click to open it. Once Type Gradient opens, click Use a New Design or just open any project where you want to add the gradient text. Then type your text in the box that appears. This is where your creative part comes in. Maybe it's a title, quote, or your brand name. Now the fun part, picking your gradient colors. Canva gives you a full color palette to mix and match. You can go bold with pinks and purples or soft with blues and whites. Just play around until you find the combo that fits your design. Yeah, and to make your gradient text stand out even more, you can add an outline. You'll find that option right under Effects, then choose Outline and pick your color and thickness. A white or black outline usually works best depending on your background. Once you're happy with the look, click Add to Design. Canva will instantly place your gradient text into your current project. You can resize it, move it around, or layer it with other graphics for a complete layout. And that's it. You've just created gradient text with an outline in Canva, clean, colorful, and totally customizable. Try experimenting with different fonts, colors, and layouts to really make your design stand out. Thanks for watching and happy designing.